Come on, history. When weavers traveled to England for work in the mid-1800s, they brought their tiny dogs. Not long after, the breed caught on and started appearing in shows in 1861. Even though the breed originated in Scotland, a reporter named Angus Sutherland believed they didn't perfected it until coming to Yorkshire, England. They ought no longer to be called Scott Terriers, but Yorkshire Terriers for having been so improved there. Sutherland reported in the Field magazine. Yorkies got the name that they have today during the development of Yorkshire, England. Then, in 1870, people seemed to agree because they officially changed the name. Yorkies were among the first registered dog breeds